MS Software provides the Wi-Fi barcode badge and ticket checker, which allows anyone using our wireless handheld barcode readers to scan badges or tickets at exhibits, conventions, or seminars, and verify that the badge or ticket holder is allowed to enter a specific area. This system includes at least one of our barcode readers and its corresponding program running on a computer. They all need to be running on the same network. Our system also allows you to run multiple barcode readers on the same network, allowing you to do badge and ticket checking with multiple devices. For this video, I'll be using only one reader, and I'll be connecting the reader to my PC's Wi-Fi network to establish a connection to its corresponding program. If you would prefer a standalone laptop setup, we can provide one, which would include a laptop and a router that acts as its access point. Now, before we truly begin, we must have a lookup table. On my computer is a CSV file, and the program will constantly refer back to it after each scan with this barcode reader. The lookup table is a list of information that the program and barcode reader will work with in order to verify barcodes. It's essentially the system's database. The lookup table consists of a barcode, the first name, the last name, and its verification status. At this time, all barcodes are listed as false because they are waiting to get verified. There are two other fields that are empty, and these will get filled out as I scan barcodes. Now, there are three possible scan outcomes using this system. There is a good scan. A valid barcode is in the database. An invalid scan. The barcode isn't in the database. And duplicate scan. The barcode has already been scanned, but is still in the database. I'm going to scan two of these badges now. They're in the lookup table, so each scan will indicate a good scan. These are 1D barcodes, but our barcode readers can also scan 2D barcodes with no issues. This last badge here isn't in the lookup table, so the scan will reject it as an invalid scan. If I try to scan one of the badges I've scanned already, even if they're in the database, I get a duplicate scan error. So as you can see, this system is extremely fast. Everything runs in real time, and as you saw, the system updates right after each scan. If I open my lookup table now, you'll see a similar spreadsheet like the one from before. This is the same CSV file that I had on my computer, but this time, some cells have been filled out. This is all from the barcode reader scans. We scanned two of these barcodes, so these two attendees have been filled out as true. You can also see the date and time of the scans. Everything else remains at false because we haven't scanned those barcodes yet.